the time for arguing, and the time to cry over spilled milk. Batteries full charged in. Believe or not, you're the swift wind. So the plan B was set out. Trust yourself when no one.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Before we go into the vlog, firstly I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everyone and also a Happy Lunar New Year to all who are celebrating this festive season. I thought I'll take a break from making traveling videos for a while and do sort of update life in Singapore kind of vlog. And this vlog will cover the month of January. I honestly can't believe that we're on the second month of the new year right now. It's in February as you're watching this, and the first month, which is January, just flew by in a blink of an eye. So January was a month filled with birthday celebrations and also Lunar New Year celebrations, and on top of that, Mr. P and I started training for our Mount Kinabalu climb. We're going to climb Kinabalu in about 2 months time, end of March, and so we are starting to train. This will be the first time that I am attempting to climb a mountain of that height, 4,000 over meters, and it will take 2 days and 1 night. This low-key scares me. Apart from knowing that I obviously am not very fit, I haven't been exercising for the longest time, and even if I do, they are spaced really far apart, and so I know that stamina-wise, I'm not there. Cardio-wise, I am definitely not there. And on top of that, based on experiences that were shared with me, I know that it is likely when you reach that height, you will get a little bit of altitude sickness, and that might make you feel really unwell. So that is one thing that I'm really afraid of, apart from being unfit.
刚才那个怎么样？开开心心。记住我在门牌。Travel all over the world。这个我喜欢，这个我喜欢。最后还是要健健康康。还有哪里 ？In my YouTube must see 1,000 subscribers。
来，这个就是翡翠如意。哇，有的。别喜欢用吗？那个汤如果不够的话，你们还可以再加的。再加上这个是不辣的，你们还有另外一个籽。辣吗？哇！来这个1月。Sorry。我还有。不要担心 ，OK。回大头。YouTube content 1,000 subs.
It's Chu-Yi, which is the first day of Chinese New Year.
And we are going to
My grandma's house. We have 4 oranges here.
2
and
each.
we are going to 拜年.
来，哥看到啊 ，OK， 看哥丢。这个
开心的笑。
开心就好了。这个 baby， 这个肯定拿了，这。Fatality。
What is that? 哎。You take with them.
So heavy. 哎呦呦！
Hello. It's the day 2 of Chinese New Year.
And we are going to celebrate with my parents.
Yeah, it's a rainy day. It's been raining since yesterday.
Food Zi Cha, the only place that's open.
Yeah, we bought food and then we are bringing it over.
Now we need umbrella.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Wow, dancing. Oh, I don't know more. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes.
No! No!
Hello everybody. Look
Hello.
what we're doing. We are at first floor. Today we are going to start training
For Kinabalu.
because we're going to climb Mount Kinabalu in 69 days.
Plan today is to just climb one flight of 40 stairs. And we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, 40 flights of stairs.
40 stories.
Yeah, 40 stories.
Yeah.
And we are at the first story.
We're not going to
now.
time ourselves, we're just wearing normal shoes.
Yeah.
And we'll slowly progressively add weight. Let's go.
It's gonna be chill, right?
Chill, chill.
Where are we now?
Halfway on our first session.
21st. So we are at the 40th floor now. The top floor, because there's the roof and we can't go in. We did it!
Took about 15 minutes.
Yeah, thereabouts. Now we are going to go down, right?
But let's go.
I think walking on the incline is more tiring. But okay, let's not stay too early. Enjoy the scenery.
Yeah.
Hello! We are back at level 1. Are we going to go up again and come down?
I don't think so. One time today, we rest.
That's all?
Yeah. You don't chong too much, otherwise later you shag. Then tomorrow.
We're here again at the staircase. Our favorite place. Hiking shoes, which feels weird. Haven't worn this in 3 years plus. Actually 4 years. This kind of weather makes me feel like not doing anything.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
I just thought I'll pop in here and say that if you have any experience climbing Mount Kinabalu and if you have any tips to share with me, please do so in the comment section down below. I'll definitely read every single one of them. As usual, I want to thank all of you for watching this vlog. This is all I have for this one and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
My legs are shaking. My legs are shaking because we go up and down. And my kneecap is. Did I just capture that one?
Yeah. No. It's exclusive footage.
You say that good things take time, and so they do. But if good things take time, how long till I get you?